Introducing the all-new 21 horsepower skid steer mini loader from Discount Tractors. Featuring dual joystick controls, it's easy to get in and out of tight spots. Those same two joysticks give you full control over the front end loader and 4-in-1 bucket. Under the hood is a gutsy 3-cylinder diesel engine. 3 simple pedals and 3 simple actions. The pedal on the left gives you full control over the 4-in-1 bucket, allowing you to open and close it at the touch of a pedal. The centre pedal gives you dual speeds over the mini loader itself and also the front bucket and all hydraulics on board. And finally, the accelerator pedal on the right. Stay cool under the Australian sun thanks to this tough fiberglass canopy attached to a solid steel roll bar. When transporting your mini loader, or if you're simply not going to use it for a while, there's a simple isolator switch to avoid having to disconnect the battery. Now let's take a peek at some of the specifications. Under the hood is a gutsy 1.1 litre 3-cylinder diesel engine, developing 21 horsepower. And thanks to hydraulic independent all-wheel drive, you'll be able to go almost anywhere with this compact little loader. Featuring dual joystick controls, it's easy to get in and out of tight spots. Those same two joysticks give you full control over the front end loader and 4-in-1 bucket. The Mongrel mini loader weighs in at 960 kilos, and with a 200 kilo bucket capacity, you'll be shifting dirt like there's no tomorrow. After undoing these 2 simple toggles, it's easy to access the engine bay. There's also a simple catch to hold the bonnet up while you're working on the engine. Trying to start your mini loader on a particularly cold morning? No worries, the glow plug switch is built right into the ignition. If you need to remove the bucket for whatever reason, the loader hoses are easily disconnected with these quick release couplings. Never run out of fuel again, with an easy to read fuel gauge right in the centre of the dash. The new Mongrel 21 horsepower mini loader from Discount Tractors. Test drive one today or ask your dealer for a brochure. Or you can find us online at www.discounttractors.net or phone us 02 6553 6393. That's 02 6553 6393.